Hey guys and dolls, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking on my video to watch me. I'm Kiri Katz, also doing business as Beat by Kiri, beautifully enhancing appearances tastefully, and that's what I hope to bring you here today. I first want to give honor to God, who is the head of my life, and through him all things are possible. My second shout out has to go to my good friend, my Philly fam, Candace, aka Candy Mom, my Candy Mom. I have to give her credit, and because she really motivated me to step on this side of the lens and to start doing tutorials and bringing the content for the world to see. That's not what you here for though. You here to get into these brows, honey, okay? And keep watching. I'll show you just how I do my eyebrows. Again, I do welcome all feedback, so please feel free to drop me a comment below. Any tips, suggestions, if you want to see a particular video. I do have content upcoming, and hopefully I can incorporate some of your feedback into those videos as well. But you have to do one thing for me. You have to subscribe, you have to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat, and you have to like and share this video. Please, thank you. All right, let's jump right on into it. I'll see you on the next one. Later. I'm going to first start out with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in, sorry, I'm getting messages, in the color Ebony. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Morphe Me M225 brush. It's an angled brush. I don't know if you can see that. It's an angled brush, so you can use any angled brush, or you can use a flat head brush, a flat concealer head brush. It really doesn't matter, but I prefer the angled brush because you can get the hair-like brush strokes when you're using the product. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm only going to take a little bit, and what I like to do, I'm going to be looking at my mirror down here, is start by going under the, I have way too much product on that. Start by going on the bottom line, so small soft strokes just to get the shape of the brow. Okay, small brush strokes, and then I start to blend up. Really not blending, but just forming the line. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the top line as well. And again, I'm just forming the shape of my brow. And then I'm gonna go back into it and blend up. Using the XX product, I'm just going to do small brush strokes. And then when I get to the tail end, I'm gonna fill that in completely. So now I'm going to take my spoolie. You can use any spoolie. I just particularly have the spoolie on the Peak Performance. Is this ColourPop? No, Pop Beauty. I got this in one of my Ipsy glam bags. So I just use this to brush my eyebrows up as well as blend in the product. Excuse me, I'm sick. Concealer. This is the Huda Beauty in the shade Peanut Butter. So now I'm going to use my small flat brush. I don't know. Okay, it looks like that. And I'm just gonna take a smidgen. So like, I just take a little bit of that. So that's how much I use. It's literally only a little bit. Let's see if it'll focus. I don't know if it'll focus. Oh well. But it's only a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. And this stuff is super pigmented and it also dries fast. So I try to use this work quickly when I use this. Now I'm gonna start by pivoting this up and doing my under eye area. So I always start like in the middle. You see there's too much product, but I have to work quickly because this thing dries so fast. I'm just blending in the product now. And again, it's gonna look crazy at first, but you'll look fleeky on the other side. Okay, so that's that. That's one side. Okay, so those are the brows so far. Now what I do next is I don't like that halo effect around my eyebrows, so I don't use the same one to shoot 2 shades lighter than my skin complexion. I actually do something that's 1 shade or like half a shade my complexion, and I use the Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So it comes like this. It's like a cream to powder foundation, and that's what I use for my top side of my eyebrows to form them. Okay, so let me just show you. Again, I'm still not done just quite yet. I still want to make them a little bit thinner, and then I'll show you how to do that. So now I'm going to do the top of the other brow. Again, I'm taking just a little bit of product, a little bit. Okay. Now what I do now is, if it's still too thick, the eyebrows are still too thick, I go back with my Huda Beauty concealer, and I still use just a smidgen, if that's a word. I just use a little bit of product. That's not even, it's a little bit of product, and I'm going to go underneath the eyebrows. I'm going to do the bottom of the eyebrows to make them thinner, okay? So I'm going to start with this side. Okay, and I'm still going to do the same thing to the other side just to make it a little bit thinner. The last step, I forgot, is taking a little bit more product. Go in and just do brush strokes too. See, that's too much product. Brush strokes, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my spoolie. And then wipe the excess product off of the brush by just blending it in. This is it. This is my eyebrows, okay? This is it. This is all I do. Go back in, of course, brush your eyebrows up. I do need to get one of those eyebrow gels that keeps your eyebrows in place.
After you're done with the video, can we play with like the fighting game with these toys, or
maybe? Okay, let me just see how far along I get here.
how much minutes has it been?
22 minutes. Is that okay with you?
Yes, I just wanted to know how long it was gonna be. Do you think it's gonna be an hour or so?
No.
How long do you think it's gonna be?
Hello, I don't know, honey. Can you just give me a minute? When I'm done, I'm done. And I'll come in the room and play.
Okay.
Okay. All right, and this is it. This is it for the eyebrow tutorial. My Makeup Forever Velvet Skin finish, and just my foundation, and do my full face. This stuff is good, it's oil free, and it also dries very fast. And then I'm going to take my Morphe Me E6 stippling brush and just go in like so. This is it, okay, and I hope to see you on the next one. Later, toodles. Of course, Steve Urkel's in the house. No. Yes, Kello.
Where's the camera?
Right here.
Oh, hi guys. I was just
your
using the bathroom.
There's too much information.
I was just using the bathroom.
Okay, that's too much information. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay.